Right guys, photographers out there, if you're looking for a piece of software that is yours to own for life, no credit system, one payment, less than £30, that will do editing on bodies for you, and it's a plugin in Photoshop, look no further than PortraitPro Body Studio. Now, I'm going to show you quickly how this works. All you do is you click on the nose of your subject, and then you pick, is it female or male? So we've got a female body shape, and then it analyzes the image for you, and then we can accept the markups, or if you want to make adjustments, you can. Now again, it's done, you know, this software was out before this online server AI stuff that everybody uses now. This is all done in the program, and it's done an amazing job of getting just about right. So we're just going to modify the markups just a little bit. So this is to the shoulder point. We're just going to put that one up there and put that one up there. Elbow position and elbow position. Okay. Then we've got to the wrist joint. It's done. Wrist joint. We're done. This one is hip. So we're about there for the hip, I think, and about there. Knee joint is probably going to be about there, a little bit of a guess as well. And this one is the ankle joint, and it's got that one good as well. The face, we've done that as well. Okay, so we'll click next. Then we can do some more adjustments if we want to. Again, it does do a good job from, you know, the AI version, but we're just going to try and get it as perfect as possible this time. Bone curves, so we'll get that one there and this one there. Bring this one to there, and we're going to bring that one up as well. And for $30, for $30, $35, whatever it's going to cost you in the USA, £30 in England, it is a definite win. Okay, so we'll go next. We'll bring this one over to there. Just drag this one over to there. That's okay. We'll bring this one to there and there, and bring this one in as well. Just bring that one out, and we're done. Again, with the leg, get this one. I want to bring that one in, that one in, that one in. And it's figured out the leg isn't definitely that fat. It's a pair of trousers, and it's done a good job. So we will leave that there as well. I would say that one is pretty good as well. Maybe, yep, it's done a good job. Okay. We're going to bring that there to about there, and then drag that one in. We're done. Accept the markups. We will do. It's going to process the image. So we can, you know, look at all the features we've got. Torso individually. There's no other product on the market that is as good as this, and with the extra features as well. For the price you're paying, with the extra features, which we'll show you in a minute. Anyway, let's go and do a quick edit of this girl. So we're just going to make her look a little bit slimmer, and then we'll just bring the lift up a little bit. We want to give her a little bit more height, not too much, you know, you can go crazy if you want to, but we'll go to about there. Then we'll go into the torso, and then we can bring the waist in a little bit more. Hips. Chest height, if you wanted to bring the chest up just a little bit, we'll just bring that up just a little bit. I'm going to leave that one. Arms. Now, you know, a lot of girls who do moan about their arms. If you wanted to slim them down, we can do. Legs. We're just going to bring that one in a little bit. and this one in just a little bit as well. Now, if you wanted to move positions, we can do that as well. We can make the leg, the neck, bring the face position over if we wanted to. Shoulder width, we can do that. We're just going to give those shoulders a little bit more. Elbow left, again, if we wanted to move, just, you know, the angle wasn't just right. Hips angle, we can get a little bit more of a sway going if we want to. I'm going to leave it about there. Leg length, if we want them a little bit taller, we can do that as well. And shape tools, edit body, blah, blah, blah. Now, if we've got tears in the picture, etc., we've got all these tools here to repair things, which we don't need to do on this occasion. And then we can go into the skin feature. We can add more skin if we want to. It's just missed a bit there. If we want to change the colour of the skin, we could do. We're not going to on this occasion. Let it save the project, and then we will see the results. Now that's the after. How quick was that? And it's a lot different to the one that's available in, I'm going to say it, in EVOTO. Theirs is pretty good, but this one is more advanced and it doesn't cost you per picture. Okay, I just came straight out and said it. Now I just want to go back in again and just show you it running within Photoshop once again. Right, so what I want to do on, wait, we're just going to click on here. We don't need to do anything too drastic. Yeah, accept the markup. We're happy. I'm just going to show you the quick facial features it's got. Okay, so we're just going to bring that down and let's get that. We're going to widen the eyes. We're just going to widen the eyes a little bit. We don't want to smile, but we don't want to smile, but we could do the smile if we want to. We're just going to smooth the skin down just a little bit. Again, this feature, modeling light, we're just going to give a little bit of a modeling effect, and we're just going to, let's go into here. Again, they've got the Portrait Pro for doing these sort of things, but it's in here as well. Some of the features are in here. Let's go. We just want to go for the jawline. Bring the forehead in just a little bit. This is just a basic one, but there's a few, you know, a few things in it here that you can use. And the modeling light, let's just get that to define the face. And then we're going to go done. It'll update the image. We've just got a little bit more definition around the face, as you can see there. So, how quick was that? It's worth it, guys. £29.99, less than $35 if you're in the USA, and probably around about 33 euros. Everything is a lot cheaper than, like I said, paying credit per picture with the likes of EVOTO. It just makes more sense to get something like this. It's yours for life, and it works. See you in the next video, guys.